Hello parents and welcome to yet another session of our parenting program. Today we'll be discussing a very important topic: how to guide our children to understand the importance of health and nutrition in daily life. As parents, we all want our children to grow up strong, active and happy, isn't it? Good nutrition is the key. It gives them the energy to play, learn, and stay healthy. But remember, children don't just learn from what we say, they learn from what we do. So, our eating habits, our attitude towards food, and even the way we talk about meals make a big difference in shaping their mindset. Now, let's be real. Parenting today isn't easy. And when it comes to food, there are challenges. Busy schedules, less time to cook healthy meals, easy access to junk food and sugary snacks, kids distracted by TV or mobiles during meals. Very big problem, right? Picky eating habits, refusing veggies or wasting food, and sometimes parents themselves skip meals and eat unhealthy food in front of their children, which they copy. Don't worry, you are not alone. Here are some simple solutions that you can try at home if you really want to see the change. You can plan weekly meals in advance. Keep them simple but balanced. Involve kids. Ask them to clean the table or make the table sometimes, and tell them to pack their own snack box before they go to school. Make it a point to eat together as a family. No gadgets, just conversation. Be a role model. Eat the same healthy food you give your children. Don't pamper your children when they ask for unhealthy snack or food. Be rigid sometimes and say no to it. Also educate them about the harmful effects that could be caused because of eating these kind of food. Most importantly, maintain consistency in your action. Now, here are some do's and don'ts every parent should remember. Offer variety of fruits, vegetables, grains and proteins. Encourage children to try new food without pressure. Teach them small acts of kindness like feeding birds or animals. Appreciate their effort when they finish food without wasting. Now for some don'ts. Don't force kids to overeat when they are full. Don't replace meals with frequent junk food. Don't scold them for refusing new food. Encourage gently. Don't waste food yourself. Remember, kids copy what you do. As parents, we need to pause and reflect. Sometimes the real change starts with us. If we eat unhealthy snacks, if we waste food, and if we eat in front of the screens, they will do the same thing. So, let's change together by showing discipline, respect for food, and healthy choices. So, dear parents, your role is powerful. By making small changes in your daily routine, you're not just feeding your child, you're teaching them values of health, responsibility, and care, which they will carry forward in their lives. Let's raise children who eat well, respect food, and grow up strong, both in body and heart. We hope you will start practicing these points with consistency throughout this month, and together help our children build healthy habits for life. Thank you for being a part of this parenting program on health and nutrition.